The chef is back. Today we're cooking a Dominican classic, mangú. Creamy mashed green plantains topped with pickled red onions in oil and vinegar. This is simple, humble, and full of island flavor. Let's create. Start with the green plantains. Peel them and cut them into chunks, okay? Cut them into chunks. Let's make the onion escabeche. So thinly slice the red onions. And then you're going to add them to a pan with oil. And one extra virgin olive oil. And what we're doing here, we're not going to brown them. All we're going to do is soften them, okay? Just soften them. About 2 or 3 minutes later, now I'm going to add vinegar. Oh, that's too much, but that's fine. A tablespoon would have done, by the way. And I'm going to add some salt. And that, my friends, is what gives the mangú that signature tang. Once the onions soften and turn pink, turn the heat off. They are ready. Drain the plantains, but save a little bit of the cooking water. Now what you're going to do, you're going to add the plantains back to the pot. And now you're going to add some butter or oil. I'm going to go with some extra virgin olive oil. And then what you're going to do, you're going to smash them onto smooth. And you might have to add some of that hot plantain water, just a little bit, as you smash, okay? A little bit at a time. What you want is creamy, not dry and not loose. Put the mangú onto the plate and top it with those onions and that oil and vinegar mix. This is Dominican comfort food. Simple ingredients and big flavor. This mangú is for lunch or dinner, this particular meal today. But coming soon, I will show you Tres Golpes. That is the full Dominican breakfast. So make sure you subscribe so you can see how to make the tres golpes, okay?